How to get Honeytoon subscription. Now in this video, I'll show you a quick guide for you to be able to start and pay your first subscription on Honeytoon. Now use up any web browser available on your end, but on this video, I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Simply head straight into honeytoon.com's official website, which is going to be here. So above, you should be able to see account. You simply click that. And then on the next page, you will be asked to log in into an account first. So let's just log in. Now, once it's successfully logged in your temporary account, you should be able to see this. Under membership and coins, click on become a member. And this is where you will see all the subscriptions available on Honeytoon. For premium, you will have a full access for 4 weeks, 12 or 24. And you will also have the option of Ultra, which has an uncensored content. Hit on continue and then set up your payment method that you prefer. And that is how you get Honeytoon subscription.